it's Naya and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys this hair from Supernova Hair. It is it got like these blonde lights in it and I'm in love because I've been trying to do this hairstyle for a minute. Like I tried to do a tutorial on my channel featuring Tanashi hair. Y'all can see how that went, but this is more like piano, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know the piano hairstyle. This is more like that. So if you guys are interested in this wig and all about the details and how I put it on, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I am going to do is use any color shade or the closest shade to my skin and color my cap. This is the wig and this is the box and this is the hair. I believe it is a body wave, and I will have all the information in the description box, but basically I'm going to try the wig on. And this is how it looks on. I'm showing you guys the hairline and the curl and the movement of the hair, and honestly I love it so much. And it is 26 inches and it's kind of like a ombre kind of bleach, but not really ombre. This is the hairline. I'm going to go in and do some light plucking. I'm not going to pluck it too much, but if you guys do want to see how I pluck my hair, I do have a video on it on my channel, so just check out my hair playlist. But this is the hairline and this is how it looks after I did just some light plucking to the hairline. I didn't really do too much to it. So right here I sprayed the hair just a little bit because I really wanted to see the natural curl pattern, and as you guys could see, it's not that much of a wave. It's just more like a light, very light wave. But I'm wondering if maybe it's because I sprayed it and kept running my fingers through it, that maybe if I had washed it in the sink and let it air dry, that maybe it wouldn't be so straight. But this is how it looks when I sprayed it. So now I'm just going to put my hair back into a ponytail. I just want to get all the hair out of my face and out of the way because I'm preparing to cut the lace. So I'm going to take my scissors and first I'm going to cut away most of it because I want to get it away from my eyelashes, and then I'm going to go in again with a razor this time so I can get more precise. But first I'm going to cut off my earpieces, and then that's when I'll go in with the razor and cut around the hair as close to the lace as possible. So next I'm just going to take my store brand mousse, any mousse really, and I'm just going to apply it at the middle part because I feel like this holds the hair down better, being that I just had it at the side. I want to mold it in the middle, so I'm just going to apply it in the middle. Next I'm going to take my edge brush and just pull my edges forward and cut what I need to, and then I'm going to go with my got to be glue and just mold my edges. I also want you guys to keep in mind that I didn't glue this down. Instead I will use the mousse to try and hold the lace down to my skin, and that's exactly what I ended up doing. So you guys, this is just how I do my glueless wigs. I like to take my mousse and pull the hair forward and just put the mousse behind the hair. This is just how I do my glueless wigs, especially around the edges. You can do this around the front of your head too, but this way was kind of easier for me at the moment. So I'm just going to take my headscarf, tie it around, leave it on for about 8 minutes, and take it off. So you can either pluck the middle, but I am going to go with my LA Girls in color Fawn and put it down the middle. So y'all, this right here is the final look, and I love this hair. It is so soft. I didn't do anything except pluck, and I wet it because I wanted to see what the natural curl was going to look like, and it didn't really look like. So I was like, you know what, let me curl this hair because I'm really in love with this hair. I mean, look at that movement. Look how full. Yo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't think I could handle all that, baby. I don't think you could manage all that.